Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Here's your sneak peek video for this week's fire sale. So this is for the fire sale 7/31/2020. We've got number one, Fisher Price Garden Tunes, $5 for each one of those, and there are 4 available. Then we have this really awesome travel bag. It folds all the way out, holds lots of stuff. $5 for that cool black travel bag. Number 3 has got these string lights. They're Room Essential string lights. Normally they're around $15. We're only going to sell them for about $5. Really, really good shape, super lightweight. Then, of course, we've got our favorite horseshoe knives. Number 4, if you haven't seen them, this is what they look like, made out of an actual horseshoe. These are a great gift. 4 of them, they are $20 a piece for the horseshoe knives. Then we have the leopard sandals, and thank you so much for all of you who helped me figure out how to pronounce that they are Haute edition. Haute edition. I was mispronouncing those. Thank you very much. So those are leopard sandals, size 8, $20, number 5. Then we're going to go back to the back of the table. We are on number 6, a black 2X Haute edition shirt, $20. Then number 7 is a really cool picture frame set of bookends, really nice, looks like kind of white marble, $10. Then number 8, I'm gonna sneak back here and show you what these are. This is our feather knife that you guys love, $15 for this awesome, cool looking foldable feather knife. Number 8, $15. And then number 9 are these cool Hubbard shoes. They are black in size 8. Only $30. I know Hubbard is a really high end, but we're going to only charge you $30 for those. Then number 10 is a 15-item makeup lot. Each lot has very similar items, but various different colors of makeups, lipsticks, all that kind of stuff. $25 for all 15 of them, and we have 3 15-item lots available. Number 11 is this awesome American flag top, size small, $10. It's super cute. Number 12 is this awesome glass flower vase that I literally didn't even know I had here. And so we were going through some stuff that we thought would be interesting to sell. And this actually has all of the little slots for the flowers to come through. $10 for this cool glass flower vase. Then number 13 is our Eagle Claw folder knives. You've seen them. They look really, really cool. You've seen them before, $10. Number 14 is a Capello clock. Let me go ahead and hold it up for you. That's what it looks like. Kind of has a fabric-y look. But that's going to be $10 for that Capello clock. Then we've got these fun unicorn floaties. Let me just show you what they look like. So they're a snow tube or a water floaty. So they can be used for either. Ages 8+ is what it says. Number 15 is what it is, $5. We have 2 available. Then we have this really cute wooden lamp, perfect for any location. Does come with the lampshade, $10 for that cute wooden lamp. Then we're going to wander on back down to the end of the table there. We've got a Gino Vitale pair of diamond shoes. We call them diamond shoes because it looks like diamonds on the front of it. 7.5 is the size, 7.5, $35 for those men's really sharp Gino Vitale shoes. Number 18 is a Leo Rossi pair of green shorts, $10, and they are size, I thought they were size like 2X or something. I can't remember exactly. Yeah, let me look real fast because I did not put it on my sheet. Sorry about that, guys. Casual shorts. I feel the tag. It's in there. It's in there, guys. I'm looking quickly. Oh, it's hiding inside the short. Paul, you sabotaged it. It's all the way in there. Look at that. All right. It is a 2XL. Look at that. I should have just went with what I knew. 2XL green pair of shorts. Leo Rossi. Awesome shorts. All right, then we have these awesome roller skates. Roller skates, they are $10 and they come with detachable roller blades. So you can change the skates into blades, and they are a kid's size, I believe, 1 to 13, I believe. I can't remember what the size was on them. But they're really little more toddler size. And then number 20 is a Room Essentials 5-head lamp. So it looks like this, and it's got 5 different lights on it. $10 for number 20. $10 for number 20. We're going to jump over this table and kind of go bypass our mess we got going on back here. And then we're going to also go to number 21. Number 21 is a JXSN pair of black kind of boot dress shoe, really sharp looking. And so that is going to be $25, and they are size 9.5. Then number 22 is a sock bundle. They are size 8 to 12 ankle socks, black for men. And so that sock bundle for all of them, I think there's about 18 pairs of ankle socks in there, $10. Then we have the Eagle Box gift knife. You've seen these before, $10 for that knife. With the box, we've got 4 available. Then next, we've got this awesome candle lot. Comes with Scentsy melts and candles and diffusers, all sorts of fun stuff. $20 for the entire box of stuff. Then back here on the table is a camo jacket, size large, green camo, and it is going to be $20 for number 25. Then we've got number 26. Let me move the sticker here. These are LED fairy lights. So they're cool pendant lights that look really amazing.
Press the button.
Oh, sorry. There you go.
Boom. They work.
Yep. $5 for that little box. All right. Number 27. Number 27 is a black cardigan. That is $15 and it's a size large, and that is a JM collection. Number 28 is just like the other knife you just saw, but it is a black bear knife. I feel like Paul needs one of these since he finally saw his real black bear in Gatlinburg. So that's number 28. Number 29 is a wreath hanger for any season. Doesn't have to be Christmas. You can hang any kind of wreath. $5. I've got 3 of them available. And then we've got this awesome box. It's actually, how many screwdrivers? I put on there. 26-piece screwdriver set of various different ends. So it's Phillips head, flat head, all that, all different sizes. Skinny ones, fat ones, all that. So all of those screwdrivers, $20 for the entire box. And then we have these Tory Burch sandals, brand new condition. They are size, let me look, size 7.5, number 31. They're $100, originally closer to $200. We're going to sell them for $100. Then we have this, next, number 32 is a splendid white and black top, number 20. This striped top, and it is a extra large, number 32, and that's going to be $20. Number 33 is a makeup lot as well, but this one only has 11 items, so we're selling this one for $15. Still just a few less than the other, so $15 for number 33. Number 34, I actually have these shelves, if you want to look at it there. Number 34 is $10. And it's a 23-inch shelf. It looks like more than one shelf, but it is not. It's a shelf that has a front ledge on it. I actually have them in my daughter's room. She keeps her precious moments on it. And then we have number 35 is a Honeydew is the brand. A really super soft kind of cream color, heathered gray sweatshirt. That one is size large. I have 2 available for $15. And then if you're not a size large, but a 2X, there you go. You've got that one who is $15 as well, number 36. Then we have these awesome workout masks. So these are actually masks that are supposed to help you really get your lungs conditioned. And so we have 2 available. They're normally around $50. So we're selling them for $20, but it's basically kind of restricts the air a tiny bit so that you can get a really good workout. So number 37, $20 for each one of these masks. And then number 38 is this really, really cute TOV clothing zipper shirt. So I actually have more than one available. Do you want me to hold it up? It's really cool. So this is $15. They are all size extra large. But this is the neckline, but it's lined with fabric on the inside of the neck, so the zipper is not going to be irritating. And then you can actually unzip that zipper in the front to open it up if you wanted to wear like a tank top under it. So it's just a really clever, cool kind of shirt. I love it. And we actually have 3 of these available. So this is number 38 for $15. And then we have another sweater. So it's starting to get a little bit cool at night sometimes. So we have a sweater, Willow and Clay, size large sweater for $20. Then we have a fabric lot box for $20. That's number 40. And then number 41 is a deer knife for $10. And we've got 4 of those available. And then we have another Hubbard shoe that we're giving you for a steal. So this is a Hubbard shoe, really nice women's dress shoes, size 8. I was told that Hubbard uses Kevlar on the inside of the arch rather than steel. So that's supposed to be a lot better. $30 for that. Then we've got these awesome, really cute floopy sandals with a cute polka dot design on the inside. Those are $15. And what size were they? I'm trying to remember. They are size 8. All right, number 44, a Top Shop white top. Let me hold that one up too. It's a size medium, $10. We do have multiple ones available, but look at that. Isn't this cute? Really cute tassels on that. So a top shop, it's a size medium, $10. And let's see how many we have available. We have 4 of those available. Then number 45 is a John and Jen size medium sweater, $15. Then you guys love those 4-pack of candles that we usually sell. Those are really cool. They come in really pretty, beautiful glass jars. They are salted citrus Bellini. That's what they look like. You get all 4 of the candles for $20, and they stay well protected in those boxes. Then we've got this cool multi-tool knife. It's 3.5 inches. Hold on, I need my other hand. A stainless steel blade, and it's got 13 different, it's basically like a Swiss Army knife, but it's a multi-tool, $5. We've got 6 of them available. That's number 47. And then we have this set of 2 lamps, number 48. For $30, you get both of these Room Essentials floor lamps. Then we have Tommy Hilfiger sandals, $15. What size are those? I can't remember. Sorry. Size 5 for these Tommy Hilfiger sandals, only $15 for number 49. Then number 50 is an Adriana blue dress, size 8. Let me hold that up for you. It's $40 because originally I looked it up. $149 is the normal price on this particular brand. $149. We're doing $40. So very beautiful size 8 dress. Let me pull this tag back out so we don't lose our number. There you go. Number 51 is a really, really snazzy pair of blue Adolfo men's loafers, size 8.5 for $25. $25 for those. Number 52 is a size 9 silver tone ring, $25 for that. You probably recognize it from last week's sale. Somebody unfortunately did not pay. So there you go. We get to make that available again. And so you might see some repeat of some of the jewelry. So just kind of keep an eye out. So if you missed something last week, here you go. Silver hoop earrings, $5 is number 53. The number 54 is that silver earring cartilage clip pair of earrings. So it goes into your pierced hole and then it clips up on the cartilage. No need to pierce the cartilage. I heard that's kind of painful. $10 for those, number 54. And then number 55 is a really nice gold Arbico watch. So that one is number 55, $25 for that. All right. And then we're going to go back here. Something fun for the kids. Here is a slime bundle. You get all of these different slime items in there for $10, and we have 4 of these bundles available, and they are all basically exactly the same. The only difference is that the color might be different. Like this one has a green sparkly glitter one with a baby shark in it, and that the other one might have like a blue one or something. All right, then next we have the medieval daggers for $15. You guys love these things. So they look just like that. Sorry, black daggers with a sheath. So really cool. It does have a stainless steel blade on it. So that's number 57 for $15. Then we have a men's 3-piece large top bundle. Sorry, the size of the shirt is large, and they're those microfiber exercise shirts or swim shirts. So number 58. Number 59 is a Franco Vannucci pair of green shoes. I call them green because we got another pair that's kind of a gray, but that's got a little bit of a green olive tone to it. $9.5, $30. Then we've got these cool, awesome little arrows throwing knives. They look just like that, and they come with their own little sheath. We have 6 available for $5. Then you guys probably recognize this down here, number 61. This is the awesome Rain Watch, REIGN. It's a motion-activated watch. Really, really awesome. It is $500 for one watch. There was a mistake last week. They thought that they were getting 500 watches. Nope, it's one watch for $500 because this watch is normally $650 to $700 for this one watch in this condition. So $500 for that one watch. And this is all the information inside this box. So I will get it packaged up good. Then number 62 is a pair of really beautiful gold earrings. They are gold with some sparkles on them. So that is number 62, and those are going to be $30 for those gold earrings, gold and sparkly earrings. number 62. Then number 63 is a ball and chain. No, it's a it's a mace. This is really heavy. Don't actually hurt somebody with this. So this is a battle mace for $20. We've got 2 of them available for number 63, and they're $20. $20. Then number 64 is a Lock and Love blue extra large top for $10. And number 65.
Look what I see.
Ooh, is that a gopher?
It was a gopher.
Sorry, he was distracted. Not by a squirrel, but a gopher.
Gopher.
All right, so anyway, that must have been what Faith saw the other day. All right, number 65 is the Farmer's Toothpick for $5. It actually says Farmer's Toothpick on the blade, which are awesome. There you go. You got its focus there. Perfect. And so we actually have 6 of those available. And then number 66 you will recognize. It's a pink dog floaty polka dot. So it's from that same person who decided not to pay $10. So it's basically a life jacket for your dog. So $10 for that. And then number 67 is a gladiator dagger with stand. It's kind of a letter opener, really cool sheath on the gladiator dagger and handle. Comes with its own stand and everything. You can see it pretty well. There you go. And it does have a stainless steel blade with really cool designs on it. So that is number 67, $20. And we have 4 of those available. Then we have Franco Vannucci shoes. You see the difference? These were green. Those are gray. Same size though. They are 9.5 and number 68, and they are $30. We have these awesome golf putting sets for kids. They're a 7-piece set, and they're $10 a piece, and we have 4 available. And then last but not least, we have these awesome Room Essentials closet organizers that we're selling for $10 a piece, and we have 4 of them available. So hopefully it's been fun to watch the sneak peek. Hopefully you find something you buy. Make sure on the Patreon page that if you look down in the description of the title of the listing, you'll be able to find the entire list that I was reading from. So if you missed a number, then go back and check that. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.